Discover the United States Army and the Golden Knights on the World Wide Web at GoArmy.com or ArmyGK.com. At 2,000 feet, underneath the black and gold canopies of the United States Army Parachute Team, these jumpers can hear you very well. Give them a shout. Let them know where you are. Looking at Show Center, it would appear that two canopies have become entangled, but this is not the case. These jumpers are actually performing a facet of the sport called canopy relative work. With the advanced aerodynamic design of these ram air parachutes, it is possible to fly one parachute right into the hands of another jumper without adversely affecting its flight characteristics. Unlike freestyle, these two jumpers can carry on a conversation just like you and I standing here on the ground. As the two-stack enters the target area, listen for the command to brake as they near the ground.
See that one.
You may notice the tail of the parachute curl under. This slows the jumper's forward speed. And there you have, not one,